Yes, sir. This is our QLQ Meta Zipper gapping machine. Our this gapping machine gapped by two locating needle system, and also have two ways for gapping. One, the first way is the hook gapping. So now we are using the hook gapping. Look at this is the hook. Okay, now we change another system is the stand. Okay, now we use the stand gapping system. So at this time the hook stop. Okay, you see the hook stop, but this stepper motor is running. It calculates the cycle by this wheel. So this way, this system is the stepper system, gapping system. This machine output is between 2,200 pieces to 3,500 pieces, according to the length which you want to make. Okay, if you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.